Hello guys, welcome on Tesla Eduventures. In this video, I'll going to discuss the combination of AC currents, and in this combination we are combining those alternating currents which have same frequency but different amplitudes. So you can see that, for example, there are three currents, I1, I2 and I3, and you can see that the amplitude of I1 is 4, amplitude of I2 is 3, and amplitude of I3 is 10. So we have to find out the resultant current along with the phase. So first of all, the technique which we are using to combine these currents is called as the phase addition, and we can say that at t is equal to 0, initially the phase of this current, initial phase of this current is 0. You can directly put this t is equal to 0 in this place, at the place of time, and this complete term is called as phase, initial phase when t is equal to 0, if this is sine. But this is cos, so you have to first of all convert this cos into sine, because cos is itself a pi by 2 ahead of sine. So you can write down I2 as 3 sine omega t plus pi by 2, and then you can substitute the value of time as 0. So I2 will be 3 sine pi by 2. In the same way, I3 will be equal to 10 sine 53 degree. So we can say that now we have to consider this phase as angle, and we have to write down the amplitudes at these specific angles. For example, the amplitude of I1 is 4 and its initial phase is 0. So we will be writing down I1, the amplitude of I1, which is 4, on the x-axis, because we are considering the fact that the initial phase is the angle which we are measuring with the x-axis. So if the angle of this current is 0, initial phase of this current is 0, so we should draw this current on x-axis only, because its angle with x-axis should be 0. And for I2, you can see that the initial phase is pi by 2, so we have to write down the I2 on y-axis, because this is pi by 2 ahead. As well as for I3, whose magnitude is 10, so this is 10, and the angle of this current is 53 degree. Now obviously we can say that the component of 10 along x-axis is 10 cos 53, and the component of 10 along y-axis is 10 sine 53. Now 4 plus 10 into 3 by 5. So this will be equal to 10, and this is 3 plus 10 into 4 by 5. So it would be equal to 11. So we can finally write down it as, this is yeah, this is a y-axis. First of all, let us draw the y-axis. This will be the x-axis of the phase diagram, and the current on the x-axis, net current, is 10, and the net current on y-axis is 11. So the resultant current, I resultant, will be under root of 11 square plus 10 square. So it would be under root of 221. 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. So it is under root of 221. And if this angle is phi, then 10 phi will be equal to 11 upon 10. Okay, and the magnitude, amplitude of resultant current is under root 221. Okay, now the I resultant will be equal to under root of 221 sine, and the omega will be same, plus the initial phase of this current is tan inverse 11 by 10. Okay, this is the resultant current. And in the next video, we'll be bringing some more interesting concepts of AC. Thank you. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe, and please share the channel to the other students which cannot afford the costly coachings or costly irrelevant subscriptions of some chemistry walas. Okay, so